Hey gamers, it's Kat here. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting into Mikan cosplay. Did I say that right? Mikan cosplay. So I haven't cosplayed her in so long, so I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get the costume on. I look so dead when I'm like bald and stuff. Okay, let's get started. First things first, we're going to put some concealer under my eyes. Like that. Why did I say it like that? I meant like that. So before I do anything, I'm doing my eyebrows right now, but while my eyebrows do stuff, I'm gonna do my nose contour. Okay, it's not blended in yet, but you get the point. So I'm gonna do some pink eyeshadow, like just a little bit, just to spice it up a little, not that much, just a little. And I'm gonna put like glitter. So I have this, and I use this light color. And I do fix up my inner corners with white and stuff. And then I take this fluffy brush and I just go in the corner and I fix it up a little bit. Dunzo. Okay, blush time. You can't do anything with blush. Blush mandatory. So for my eyebrows, I have this palette that I literally got at the dollar store. So I think we're gonna use this purple. Who knows? I haven't done this in so long, but for Mikan, I kind of do the brow like upward, to make her look all sad and depressed. Well, not sad, just like anxious. I always dread this part just because I can't speak. I hate doing eyeliner, but we have to do it. So, yeah. Also, I'd like to mention that this video is very short because I do not feel like filming, and I have to film a whole different video in this cosplay for a whole nother thing that'll be out soon. I just realized that these contacts that I'm wearing make lights shimmer. Okay, if you ever worn these glasses and how they make the fireworks look all shimmery and the lights all around you make it look shimmery, this is what the contacts was doing to my eyes. It looks weird. So I got a little bit of eyeliner on there, but I gotta finish it. Okay, so I did my eyeliner. It looks pretty okay. I'm gonna fix it up with black eyeshadow. My queen couldn't do anything. Dude, I just lost my voice. Couldn't do anything without her. She's not a person, but you get the point. Why am I still saying she? Couldn't do anything without black eyeshadow. I'm gonna fix up the glitter under my eyes just because it's bothering me. Because it needs more white in the corner. Dude, I just accidentally just hit my nose. There's a little dot in my eye. So to finish this look, I'm gonna do the mascara. So this L'Oreal mascara, and I'm gonna put it on my bottom lashes just cause. Also, by the way, it's a 5-day weekend, which means I skipped school on Thursday, and I went to IHOP instead. I didn't have school on Friday just because the school canceled it themselves. My dad is going out on Sunday, which is stupid because we were supposed to watch Attack on Titan and Demon Slayer, which my phone was just about to turn off. But I think it's kind of silly that they come out on the same day because we get to watch new episodes every Sunday, like Demon Slayer and Attack on Titan. So me and my dad and my siblings are supposed to watch it, but we have to wait for him because he's busy. Dad, if you're watching this, cancel your plans. It's not that hard. Just cancel your... I just got back from IHOP because I've gone to IHOP twice this weekend. So I went with my brother and my cousin, and then I went with my parents. I don't know if I want to wear lashes or not. I feel like I look fine without lashes. Because... why did I get so close to the camera? My natural lashes are pretty long. But I think I'm gonna put on like small lashes. But it's definitely time to put on lip liner. Well, it's called lip liner, but I really just use it as normal lipstick. Time for lashes. I think the lashes that I'm gonna do are these, like, who even knows what these are? But they're like thin. Don't know how to explain it. So let's get the glue on my eyes. I'm gonna watch TikTok while I do that. So here are the lashes on. Looks very fancy. Let's go ahead and pop the wig on. Oh, it didn't stop for some reason. How do I lower this? Can I not lower this tripod anymore? Here's the cosplay again, if you're still wondering. The shoes, the full fit. I just want to show you guys in a full kind of thing, you know, in my whole setup. A lot of people are asking for a room tour, but I don't know, dang it, my monitor just shut down. But yeah. Oh, I forgot to turn on the flash. So yeah, back wig. It's really messy because, you know, Mikan. Bye guys.